Hi, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am back. Let me get myself introduced once again. I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, Amazon #1 best-selling author, founder of Menon Hospitality Private Limited, a hotel professional with 32 years of exposure in hospitality industry. We have a wonderful topic today. The topic being hotel consultants. It's a very important topic, and it is somewhere, I believe, it is ignored. It is said that hotels are like chariots and cannot be self-driven. Hotels are like chariots and it cannot be self-driven. Charioteer plays a key to success. It clearly mentions or means that hotels are like huge. You cannot drive a chariot independently. You require a charioteer. So you require somebody doing your hand holding to take it forward. So consultants play a key role in supporting the hotel owner who is having in mind to develop a hotel or operate a hotel, if he is not a hotelier, to be precise. Okay, now hotel consultants are experts from the industry. They have enough experience in their domains. Hotel development, hotel operations, hotel marketing go hand in hand. Hotel development, hotel marketing and hotel operations go hand in hand, with consultants playing the role of a charioteer. Without a proper hotel brand or a senior hotelier, hotel consultant, I request the owners not to move ahead. Otherwise, at one point, you will land into problems. The issue is, the reason being, lack of experience in projects, lack of experience in hotels. It is not as easy as it looks like. There are a lot of technicalities in developing a hotel project and lot of technicalities in operating a hotel. There is a myth which I want to clear it off. Whatever my exposure have seen with past so many years, I have met n number of hotel owners. There's a myth behind their mind. They say consultant is an expense. Hiring a consultant, you will have to put in money. It becomes an expense for them. It is a myth. Hiring a consultant is never an expense. It is an investment. Hiring a consultant is not an expense. It is an investment. You are investing on somebody who has n number of exposure, enough knowledge, enough contacts. He puts you in touch with so many vendors. He puts you in touch with so many sub-consultants, right people from the industry. He is aware of what is happening in the industry. He gets in so much of inputs and knowledge, which comes to you with this small investment, whatever you call in terms of fees. So it is not an expense, it is an investment. Please remove that thing from your mind. Please erase from your mind that consultant is an expense. There are so many hotel brands available who sign you up, sign your property up and give you the feasibility, give you the technicalities, give you the project brief, give you their exposure and experience. The technical teams works with you. So obviously they are bringing in so much of value. They are giving you the brand compliant project for yourself. If you do it by yourself and for yourself, you will be a failure. I will give it to you in writing. Please don't do that, my friends. I only request, ensure that you are following or you're hiring people who are in the business, who understand the business well, and you're going to put crores of rupees. Ensure that your project is going well and your operations are in safe hands. Otherwise, I'm really very sorry, you will fall into problems. You will fall into a soup. Once again, we have so many small topics below this particular topic. We have small detailings. What are the roles of consultants? I'm going to discuss in series of videos. Keep in touch. Subscribe on my channel. Be connected. I'm going to come with lots and lots of inputs. And for the hotel owners, you have anything to discuss with me, to consult with me, put in a message. I'll get in touch with you. I will give you free 15 minutes call. We'll talk it up and ensure that things are going well. Keep connected, stay in touch. Thank you.